So another Kickstarter arrived in the mail today. This time it's the pale blue lithium USB rechargeable smart batteries that I kickstarted. Um, they are a little different than other rechargeable batteries as each battery itself can be recharged. I got the AA sized batteries and I plan on using them around the house. So I just took it out of the plastic wrap package, and this is pretty much like the retail package, I guess you could say. So let's open it up. So first you get the batteries in a hard plastic case, and there's a little I guess you could say quick start guide that just basically tells you how simple it is to charge up the batteries. And there's just a cardboard backing in there. So to get the batteries out, you just do the opposite of what the plastic case tabs are. Let me take one out. So as you can see, you charge it right there. Same spot on all of them as the little kickstart or quick start guide. Kickstarted the quick start. But I look forward to using these little batteries. Batteries are a really big pollutant, so if we can use more rechargeable or reusable things like batteries, it would be great. You can see they even want you to show them on hashtag ditch disposables. So it's a cool thing. So hidden in the bottom is the chargers. When I say chargers, it's actually one charger cable that links to the 4 batteries. So that's just hidden in the bottom of the retail box. Me and my wife are big on oceans and beaches and things like that, and there's just so much pollution around. We try to do, there's a little recycling symbol. I plan on keeping the case and not recycling it, but in case I'm traveling or, but we try to, use as many reusable things as we can, and I hope you are as well. But hope you like this little unboxing of my pale blue lithium USB rechargeable smart batteries. Thanks, bye.